While there is no doubt that Andrew Tate has achieved a certain level of financial success, his statement that getting rich is easy is a bold claim that is not necessarily true for everyone. While some people may find it relatively easy to accumulate wealth, for many others, it requires significant effort, time, and hard work. It is essential to recognize that becoming wealthy is a multifaceted process that involves a variety of factors, including education, skills, determination, persistence, and opportunity. While some people may have certain advantages, such as access to capital or influential connections, success ultimately comes down to a combination of these factors. Moreover, there are no shortcuts or guaranteed paths to wealth, and anyone promising such things should be approached with caution. While there are certainly ways to increase your chances of financial success, such as investing in education and acquiring valuable skills, building a successful business or career takes time, effort, and perseverance. It is also important to consider that financial success is not the only measure of a fulfilling life. While having financial security can certainly provide a sense of stability and freedom, it is not the only source of happiness or fulfillment. Therefore, it is essential to pursue wealth with a balanced perspective and an understanding of its limitations in terms of providing true happiness and contentment. In conclusion, while it is possible to achieve financial success,
Subscribe to Sparta King Sparta. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Sparta King Sparta. Thanks for watching.